That's pretty cool. House has solar panels. I'll let you guys know if they're leased or owned. All right, hey guys. So this is what a $239,000 house looks like in Arizona. Got the street. Maybe something can be done about the grass, you know, bring it back to life. It would look real pretty. But let's go inside. What we do, step in. That's the front door, front window. Nice little lights. Walks in right into the kitchen and dining area. Older home, as you can tell. First room, as you can tell, you can look out and see the road. Nice closet. Fortunately, we are missing a door. Here is the second room. Yeah, there's not a door on this one or that one, but this one got a door, so that's nice. All right, master. Now we got the 8th bathroom right here. So here's the backyard. Nice covered patio. This is a great fixer-upper for sure. Nice yard space. Yep, nice alley, and it's a carport area. So, essentially, you can have people park over here, come right into the house, or have them park into the driveway, whatever you want to do. So this, my friends, is what you would get. You spent $240K in Arizona. All right, hi guys. We are at our second location. 239.9K, so 240. Great house. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice driveway, got the gate. Locked up for privacy. And it is the corner house, so that is very nice. $240. I would definitely like this one better than the other one. I'm not gonna lie. Nice cabinet space. Could be a room. Oh, that leads to outside. Okay. So that's pretty neat. You can close this door, and this whole part of the house is blocked off. Crazy. You can lock it from the... Oh, no, you can't lock it. I mean, you could if you wanted, like from the inside or outside. Change the doorknob. Well, that's pretty cool.